Imagine we are sailing on the sea, but the sea is rough and the markets around us are oscillating as if we were on big waves. The question that is increasingly being asked among us, investors and observers, is where is this ship actually sailing? The ship of the global economy, financial markets, amidst geopolitical tensions and growing distrust in classical institutions. Now, more than ever, we must be cautious. Every misjudgment can trigger a domino effect, leading to losses and even loss of trust. In my opinion, over 90% of future market movement depends on the news we will receive from the United States this week. If that news is positive, if inflation is under control, unemployment stable, and consumption at a good level, the market will likely continue its upward trend. But should bad news come, high inflation, weaker corporate earnings, or a deterioration of international relations, we know what follows from history: panic, decline, and massive liquidations. Nevertheless, despite the contradictory information that emerged late last week, especially concerning U.S.-Russia relations, the market closed the week relatively stable, even with slight growth in certain segments. That is a good sign. It shows that investors are not easily shaken, but also that all eyes are on the Federal Reserve, Fed, which plays a crucial role in this cycle. Special focus should be placed on the relationship between former President Donald Trump and the current head of the Fed, Jerome Powell. That tension, both political and personal, has the potential to reflect on the markets through unexpected statements or decisions that can have a direct impact on interest rates and dollar liquidity. The Fed has already announced that interest rate cuts will not come before September, but the market is increasingly signaling that this could accelerate if pressures from the real sector are strong. But it is precisely here that we must be extremely cautious. Markets often tend to outrun reality, to rush based on assumptions that later prove wrong. Therefore, do not make important decisions based on speculation. Wait for confirmation through concrete data. We hope that the news coming this week will nevertheless be more optimistic, not only for the market, but also for the psychological relief of investors who have felt as if the market punished them in recent months. Many entered at the peak of the previous pump and spent months in the red, waiting for their time to shine. Perhaps that opportunity is now at the door, but only if you know when to open that door. The ship has not sunk yet. The only question is, who holds the helm and who knows how to read the map?